If I told you that you could make thousands of dollars every single month with just a simple video and without showing your face, would you believe me? What if I told you that you don't need to record anything, script anything, or even edit your videos manually? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me introduce you to a method that is making people thousands of dollars per month by using AI and a timeless product, chocolate. Chocolate is loved all over the world, and people are always curious about how it's made, its health benefits, and unique facts about it. This high-demand topic is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even Facebook videos. Today, I'll show you how to create simple, professional-looking videos in minutes using AI, and most importantly, how to monetize them for consistent monthly income. The first step is selecting the right topic. Viral topics in the food and education niche perform well, and chocolate-related content has a proven track record of attracting millions of views. For example, a YouTube video titled "How Chocolate is Made" recently gained over 8.6 million views. Now, imagine earning $10 per 1,000 views. That's over $86,000 from a single video. Even with a more conservative estimate, channels in this niche can easily generate $6,500 or more per month with just a few videos. Now, let's talk about creating your video without ever picking up a camera. With AI-powered tools like AI, you can generate engaging, professional faceless videos in minutes. Simply enter a sentence like "how chocolate is made" and let the AI do the rest. It will automatically generate a script, select relevant high-quality footage, add a natural-sounding voiceover, and even insert subtitles. You can choose different voice styles, background music, and add a touch of humor to make your videos stand out. Once your video is created, you need to post it strategically. The key to rapid monetization is leveraging multiple platforms. Upload your long-form video to YouTube, where educational content is highly rewarded. Then, create shorter versions for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. This drives massive traffic to your main video, increasing your watch time, ad revenue, and potential sponsorships. Now, let's talk about monetization. There are multiple ways to make money with this strategy. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will start paying you for ad views. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote chocolate brands, kitchen tools, or online courses related to chocolate making with affiliate links in your video description. 3. Sponsorships. Once your channel grows, brands will pay you to feature their products in your videos. 4. Digital products. Sell ebooks or courses on making homemade chocolate or starting a chocolate business. Consistency is key. The YouTube channel Faceless, which follows a similar strategy, went from 0 to 60,000 subscribers in just 5 months, making over $6,500 per month with only 22 videos. If they can do it, so can you. Now, here's a simple hack to fast-track your success. Find viral chocolate-related videos, extract their transcripts, and use ChatGPT to summarize them. Then, input that summary into AI to generate a brand new video with fresh visuals, a unique voiceover, and engaging subtitles. This saves you hours of research and ensures that your content has a high chance of going viral. To increase traffic, share your videos on Pinterest, Facebook groups, and Reddit communities where people are passionate about chocolate and food-related content. The more eyes on your videos, the faster you grow, and the sooner you start making money. Getting started is easy, and you can begin today with free AI tools. But if you're serious about scaling this into a profitable business, consider upgrading to premium AI tools that remove watermarks and give you full control over your content. So, are you ready to turn chocolate into cash? Start today, stay consistent.